Hello guys, today I'm gonna put this together this some relax furniture for my garage. Um, Before you do it, make sure you wear maybe glasses and gloves because the parts are kind of sharp. And this uh, storage is storage furniture. It doesn't come with the screws. It's only the parts right there. So I have all the parts over there. So before you do it, make sure you have complete all the parts. So I have these parts right here. These are 10 pieces. So those are 10 pieces. Those go on every corner. No, 8 pieces. 8 pieces. Sorry. And those are the boards. So those are 5. We have these ones right there. Those are supposed to be 10, and also 10 small ones. And then these ones calls, those are vertical bar, short crossbar, long crossbar, 4 connectors, and 5 of these. Okay, and long crossbars are those ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different parts. This one goes on the corner so that way you don't scratch your floor. And make sure before you build your furniture, make sure you have all the parts. Just in case you're missing something, then you call the company or whatever, or you return it. So today I'm gonna try to show you how to put it together. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab all of this and put it in each corner, like that. So that way don't scratch the floor. Okay, so I'm gonna do all of them. When I'm finished, I continue. We are gonna do only 4 for now, and make sure you put it right here. You see this one, this hole, and then here. So you put it here first because this one goes to the floor, like that, because the other part insert here. Okay, so now I have 4. Now grab one of the long crossbar and the short one. Then now we're gonna put this right here, like that. Okay, the board is gonna be on the top of this, so don't put it like that. Okay, so you need to put it this way, so the board goes here. And make sure this like empty part go outside, not inside. Okay, so right there. Wait. Right there. Okay, there is 4. I have 4. Make sure I hope you have a hammer. I don't have a foam hammer, a plastic hammer to hit it over here, but I'm gonna use this tool to make sure it goes all the way down. Make sure right here is even because the wire goes over there. And I think that's the most difficult part, to put that together, because there is no screws. Okay, so let's put the board. Okay, check all the corners that are attached, because if one is out, then it might fall down later. So make sure that all corners are even and they are attached. Okay, do the same thing with the long crossbar. Same thing, just count the holes from the bottom to the top. Depends where you want it, but I'm gonna do 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Here gonna connect another one. That. Okay, I connect one more here. I'm gonna connect this. Like I said, remember, this goes on the top, not this part, okay? Okay, I install another one, 2 more, 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's getting better. I removed the bar because I need to put something to, like crossover. So now we're gonna install the connector, 4 connectors, and make sure the arrow goes up. Okay, there is an arrow, goes up. Okay, so the hole, this hole is on the top. Okay. Be careful because it's kind of sharp. Right there. Okay. Now we're gonna add the protector plastic to the top of this metal. Okay, on the top, right there. And then we're gonna insert this one in the connector. Make sure the hole is on the top, okay? Just go like that. It's very sharp, so be careful. Right there, right there. Okay. So I'm gonna do all the other 3. Okay, I got all 4. So make sure it's well connected here, and we're gonna add these ones. Again, depends of the size that you want it. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I put the other 4 crossbars. So make sure you hit it over there. So make sure it's going all the way down. Go to each corner. Okay, and check all of them that the connectors are inside, okay? And when you grab it, don't grab it from here, okay? from here. Don't grab it from here, grab it from this part, okay? If you wanna move it, grab it from there, not from here. Okay, now we're gonna add the supports. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports. So we're gonna insert it here. There is a little like a connector here. So make sure you bend it, this one. Bend it first. Okay, and then bend the other one. Make sure it's straight. So let me show you. So this one goes here, right there. And then the other one here. Right there. There. And I think you can bend it later from underneath. You see, we're gonna do that for all of them over there. Make sure you bend it straight, like that. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm gonna put the bars, and I don't know, depends what you're gonna put on the furniture, but you can adjust this one, put it up or down. Okay, guys, that's how you put together a storage furniture. Okay, so as you see, it looks nice over there. I might put some screws here, and attach it to the wall because it's not even. So I might push it like that and put some screws over there. Okay, and so this is the Sam Relax, made from China, and that's the part number or model. It's not the best, but it's okay. You know, I'm not gonna move this around, so it's okay. And just make sure the bars are even, and this go through. I went in the last and check all of them, so none is out. Okay, guys, so I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, and check my other videos. I try to fix wherever I can. Thank you.